If we are taking motivation from online social media platforms or from the internet, then one thing which we have to just correct a little bit, or a mistake which I have learned from, is hustle and hard work with the correct emotions, with the controlled emotions, is the real productive hard work. It is the real result oriented hard work. It is the real learnings in life. That is what you need to figure out. And if you are learning a lot from online social media platforms, you have to focus to not pressurize yourself, to not pressurize your soul to do something which you don't like to do. A very good morning to you all. My name is Shubham Best, and I welcome you all once again back to this 1 a.m. in the morning session, this happiness prime session where H51 prime we are recording today, and we are just going to learn a very important topic, that is hard work. Hard work, which is just a nice keyword which is used by many of the people. Many people just focus so much on this word. This word is not just a word, it is an emotion. Just like entrepreneur is an emotion, work ethics is an emotion, discipline is an emotion, calm and patience is an emotion. These words don't have meaning. These are the emotions. When you start living these words in the real life, then you get to understand what is the actual meaning of these emotions. Now hard work seems like it is working hard, but working hard and pressurizing yourself constantly for 24 hours, for 18 hours, is not possible. Once you start doing these things, people used to take emotions as the backup of the energy source. People start using the emotions as the powerhouse to do the hard work. People start confusing this one thing, that emotions are driving their hard work, which is not ultimately the reason to work. It is not. You cannot take the emotions to do the maximum, to make the maximum hustle, to make the maximum hustle out of yourself. It is not possible for long term, as if you pressurize so much, and if you will just use something, another people or another concept or another past incident to just bring the maximum out of yourself, then that thing is going to depress you. That thing is going to make you sad every fourth day, every 7 days, every month. It is going to make you depressed, and you are going to feel the pressure from inside. You are going to harm, from inside, that if you are using some another reasons in life other than yourself, if you are using some person, some situation, some past incidents, or something in life you are using as a reason to work and to pressure yourself and to do the hard work 18 hours a day constantly, without enjoying, without having some parts of satisfaction, without listening to a music, without satisfying your mind, if you start doing these things for constantly, then this is not hard work. This is not just hard work, just because you will not be satisfied from inside. You will feel the sickness, you will feel the unhappiness, you will feel the sad moments from inside, that you are not doing something on for your own. You will start feeling this thing, that it is not what I plan to live, I'm living for somebody else, so God will do somehow good for me. It is not like that. You will make yourself unhappy. Hard work with controlled emotions means that you are working hard for 8 hours constantly, then you have to give at least 20 minutes to yourself. Calm down. All the situations, circumstances which are going on in your back of the mind, all the situations with clients and customers and all the people living around you, your families, your work hustle group, all the people which have created all the situations, you have to release the stress, you have to release the tension, you have to just do the things which you like the most for just at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Give a break, take a walk, just breathe nicely, have some patience, have some humbleness, have some kindness. Just breathe and remember all the good blessings in life. These circumstances, when everything happens constantly for 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, 15 hours, then you sometimes get this back of the mind, this subconscious mind starts making images. It is very common that whatever you feed to your mind is the exact same picture is going to be just generating in the back of the mind, and your movie is going to be inside the head. Whatever you feed to your brain, if we are in a work hustle environment, then we are going to get indulged in many of the activities, many of the situations. So it is very hard to just remember all the blessings every single second, every single moment, to just make ourselves calm and patient and kind. So that is why you have to give yourself some time, just 15-20 minutes. Take a deep breathe, go for a walk, and have some good fresh air, and then you will realize, okay, now we are chill, we are again ready to put on the work, to resume the hard work, and then you can start the hard work again. So that is how you can do 18 hours. It's better to take a 15 minutes, sorry, not hours, 15 minutes break, then to ruin your whole entire day and 2 days, and just to cry and all those depression moments. It's better to just live your life the way you want, plus have some selfishness for yourself, have some competitiveness for yourself. You have to realize that the work, the amount of work which you are doing, it is not just for others but for yourself too. It is not just for them but for yourself too. It is the reality, and you have to remind this one thing: for and to your, it's just, it's just awesome. It is just life, and you keep learning the good things. I hope you got to learn the best from this one. It is already 1 a.m. in the morning, and I need to sleep, so I get the energy for tomorrow. It is Saturday. Today it is Saturday, of course. It's 1 a.m. right now, and then it is Sunday, so we have to work a lot. We have to hustle a lot. So I hope you got to learn the best from this one, and it is just, if you are watching this video, let me tell you one thing. I wrote almost 5 to 6 blogs today. I did all the sales calls, and I was just about to sleep that I thought that, okay, let's make this video. So it is just very fortunate that I made this video at some instance of time, something connected, and I'm here, spoke this thing. So I hope, if something connected, don't let it go in vain. Practicality, practitioner, and being a practitioner, implementing all these things in the real life is the actual, like, if you spend 7 minutes watching this video, then you need to make the 7 minutes worth and apply all these things in life. Then only you are going to get that much amount of happiness and results and the productive nature of your work hustle. Then only you're going to get. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and keep learning every single day.